Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. Today we're going to be making some fry bake, or some people would call it float, but it's the same thing. I'm going to show you how I make my fry bake and how I get it fluffy and nice and tasty. Today I'm going to be eating my fry bake with some tuna. You can also eat it with some you could also eat it with some saltfish. Whatever you want to eat your bake with, you can eat your bake with, but today I'm going to eat it with some tuna. So let me just show you my ingredients for my fry bake. So here it is. Okay, I have 3 cups of flour here. I have a cup of water. You might have to get another cup of water as well. I have 2 teaspoons of butter, half teaspoon of salt, and 3 spoons of sugar. And I'm gonna make my bake with some yeast today. You can also make it with some baking powder as well, but today I'm gonna be using my yeast. So let me show you how I mix my yeast now. Okay, I'm gonna mix my yeast now. This is a spoon of yeast. You're gonna put it in some water and you're gonna leave it there for about 5-10 minutes. While my yeast, I'm leaving it to raise, I'm going to put in my dry ingredients. I'm going to put in my 3 spoons of sugar. I'm going to put in my butter and my salt. And I'm going to take your clean hands and you mix everything up in the flour so till it gets flaky. Okay guys, so my yeast has been in the water for about 50 minutes. So I'm gonna pour it into the, let me just make a little hole in the middle here. And I'm gonna throw my water with the yeast. And then we're gonna mix up my flour here. Just keep mixing it up like this. Keep kneading it and mixing it up like this. Okay, I'm kneading up the flour here. But if it gets too sticky, all you have to do is just throw a little bit more flour and keep kneading it like this. So keep kneading it, get all the scraping from the side. Keep kneading it like this. You have to keep kneading it or you won't get it a good float bake. Okay, I knead my dough for about 5 minutes. So to finish thing in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a damp paper towel and then I'm gonna cover it like this for about half an hour. We'll be back. Guys, I'm gonna fry up my tuna now. It's very quick and simple. I'm gonna put some butter in my pan here. Put some butter. I'm just gonna use the Brunswick tuna, the one in water, and I have my shallots, garlic, sweet pepper, and some thyme. I'm gonna use the hot sauce, all-purpose seasoning, and the tuna there. So I just put some butter in my pan here. So I'm gonna pour all this, the thyme, shallots, sweet pepper, and garlic. Fry this up a little bit. Fry it up for about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna pour my tuna inside now. I wish I had another tin, but I only have 1 tin right now. So I'm gonna mix up everything together here with the tuna. I'm going to show a little bit all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of the mustard hot sauce. On my meal, I put this mustard hot sauce. I just like how it makes your food taste. So my tuna is frying up here. I'll cook for about another minute or two, and it's all done. Very quick and simple to cook tuna. Takes you about what, 3-4 minutes to cook. Okay, so my tuna is finished cooking here. So this is what I'm gonna eat my fry bake with. So my dough has been resting for about half an hour. You can see that it's double the size. So what we're gonna do is just put a little flour on the board here and some flour as well on my hands, and I'm gonna take it out and put it here. Take some more flour and just put it here. What I'm gonna do now is just stretch it out a little bit and cut them into a couple of pieces. Just try to stretch it out a little bit more. So I'm going to cut how much pieces of bake I want. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got about 9 pieces of bake. So what we're gonna do now is fold them over like this. You see how I'm folding them over like this? When you fold them over like this, you turn it like this, and then you just rest it on your board. Take a little flour again, and you just fold them over. It's not hard to fold them over. Then you make like a little turn, and then you put it here. Again, put a little flour, and then you fold them over like this, and then make a little spin like that. I'm going to show you one more. Put a little flour, and you fold it over. Fold it over, and then you just make like a little spin like this. Okay, cut it off. Focus on these. Okay, so I got 2, 4, 6, 9 round bake here. So what I'm gonna do, use back the same paper towel, and you just cover it back for about 5 minutes. Cover it back about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna roll it out and fry it. Okay, I just light my stove, so I'm gonna pour my oil in here. About a cup full of oil. Yeah. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now, so I'm going to roll out all of my dough one by one here. You may have to use a little bit of flour. Also, you can flour the rolling pin, and you press it down like this. Press it down like this, and you roll. Turn to the other side, and you roll again. It don't have to be perfect. It don't have to be a perfect circle, but you just roll it to the size that you want. But don't roll it too thin though, because you want the inside to be a little fluffy as well, in case you want to stuff, if you want to stuff things inside of it. So you see how thin it is here. So I'm going to do another one. So I'm gonna do another one now. So I'm just gonna press it down on the board, and then you just roll it like this. Turn it to the other side, and you just roll it again. Not too thin though, because you don't want it to be a thin bake. Roll it to the size that you want. Some people would cut them into different shapes and so, but I'm just gonna do it like this. If it ever stick on the rolling pin, you just stick on a little more flour, and you just put it on the rolling pin like this. Simple. Okay. I'm going to show you another one again. You just press it down like this, and you just roll it. How you know if your oil is hot, you can put some flour in it, and you see them start bubbling there, so you know that your oil is hot. So I'm going to put my bake inside now. I'm going to fry one at a time. Once you put it in, it's going to go to the bottom of the pan, and then it's going to come up. Let me show you better. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is just keep throwing more oil on it, on the top. Okay, the bake has been on this one side for about a minute and a half, and then you're gonna flip it over like this. And you're gonna make sure you keep thinging the oil on the top. My pot is a little small, so I'm not getting to do it properly with this spoon. So I'm gonna just use a smaller spoon just to pour the oil on top of it. You see, when you pour the oil on top of it now, that helps the one side to swell better. Okay, my bake is finished, so I'm going to take it out and put another one in. Make sure you put it into a container with a piece paper towel. So I'm going to put the other bake inside. I should use a little bigger pan. You see how this one went straight down to the bottom? That's how you know that the bake is going to come out good. And then you see how it comes right up? Good. So what you can do now, you're going to just keep pouring the oil on the top. My pot is a little small and the bake is too big, so I'm not getting to do it properly, but you know what I mean. The more oil you put up top, that's how it's going to raise this one side. See how it's raising there? Nice. You let it cook for like a minute and a half, and then you turn it over. Oh, it's been a minute. So I'm going to turn it over. See? It's frying there. Ooh. Nice. Okay, this is my final bake. This is my 9th bake. Oh, that's a lot of frying. Yeah, this is my final bake here. For like a couple more seconds and it's finished. You see how my bake is nice, raised good. Yeah, can't wait to eat it. And also I have my tuna I did earlier. Okay, I'm going to take my bake out now and put it in here to let the oil drain out, and then we're going to put it over here with all the rest of the bakes. Okay guys, so this is my finished bake here. All of them raised perfect. So I'm gonna break one and let you see how the inside stay. That is very hot, so ooh, ooh. You see how the inside cook perfectly. It was very hot, my hand is burning. Yeah, but this is how the inside stays cooked. Let me show you another one. Ow. Okay, it burned me just now, but okay, let me just show you guys. You see how this one here is so hot right now, so you can stuff whatever you want inside of the bake as well and eat. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This is my Guyanese float bake, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. So I'm now gonna eat my tuna with my bake. So I'm gonna take put about 2 bake here, and I'm gonna taste my bake so you guys can see. Okay guys, I'm gonna try my bake now on camera so you guys can see. I'm gonna eat my bake with my tuna. Tastes so good. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe, and you can try this as well at home, and you can comment down below and tell me how you guys' bake came out and your tuna. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.